Hey guys, and welcome to the channel. Now, the other day I was telling y'all about the return to the store updates that Spark is implementing, but I did not show y'all how to do it. Now, although I have not gotten a return to the store order, I am going to walk you through how they say it's supposed to go. This is going to be like a PowerPoint presentation, so feel free to stop the video whenever you need to read some of the notes or to screenshot or just to see what this type of delivery entails. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into it. We're going to roll through this fairly fast, so y'all just try and keep up. All right, so with the return to the store orders, what's going to happen is you're going to receive the notifications just as if you were doing a regular delivery on your offers tab on the offer screen. Once you see that, it's going to say something about return to the store, and then you're going to start the trip. Now, starting the trip means that you're going to be going to the customer's home first instead of going to Walmart first, because in this case you're going to be picking up orders or in a return for a customer to take back to Walmart. So once you get the notification, go ahead and start your trip if you're going to accept that offer, and then head to the customer's house. Now, once you're at the customer's house, you're going to hit confirm arrival and then proceed to collect the return. Now, the customer should already have the return ready for you, along with the barcode that you're supposed to scan just to confirm that you actually picked the order up from the customer. So make sure that you scan that. Now, if you don't see the order or if the customer is not around, it's going to be up to you to reach out to the customer either via text or through a phone call just to find out what the order is. Now, if you're not able to get in touch with the customer, then you're just going to mark that one as undeliverable. You're unable to return it to the store because the customer was unavailable, and then that will complete that particular order if the order is not found. Now, if the customer is there, like I say, you're going to scan the barcode. You're going to scan the barcode and then go ahead and get the return. And so once you do that, you're going to head to the store, to the corresponding store where you're supposed to be taking the return back to. So once you get all of the orders and you head back to the store for the return, once you return to the store, you're gonna click confirm your arrival to the particular Walmart that you're going to. Make sure that you still have that barcode with you that the customer had, because that's the same thing that the employee from Walmart is going to need in order to confirm that you've dropped this order back off to them. So once you get to the store, it's just like any other normal delivery. You're going to park in the designated area and then let them know what parking space you're in. Once the employee comes out, because they're supposed to come out to you and retrieve the return. So once they come out to you and get this return from you, they're going to scan the barcode and then accept the return so that this particular order can be marked complete. And so once they do that, and then you slide your barcode, you slide your little screen to the side to say that the order has been dropped off, that should complete that. So it sounds easy enough, but we shall see. You know, hopefully they have all of the checks and balances in place for this particular process, but we shall see. So yeah, y'all tell me how y'all feel about that. If you've had a return to the store delivery, let me know down in the comments, how did it go? I haven't had one, but as soon as I get one, I am gonna film so that y'all can see what how it goes. But other than that, that's all I have. I hope that this was very informative for y'all, and if you haven't already subscribed, make sure you do that. That's something, just a small token to show your support towards my channel. So yeah, let's go ahead and take care of that. Like this video, share this video, and I will catch you in the next video.